Hi. So we're going to be making steak in the Weber. You can't see, we're not lying. So the stuff we're going, we'll show you the toppings after.
Yeah,
So we're drinks. Here's yours, Adrian.
Yep, so we got some curry just in case, because it's going to get steamy. So I just opened this, smoke thingy, so smoke could come out.
Okay, so we've already put it on 130 degrees because we've made this a lot of times. Yeah. And since we're having a movie night, outside, we're sleeping outside in the car and watching a movie night in the car seat, so it's going to be fun. And obviously we're hungry for meat, so we're going to have some steak.
Yes, okay, so we're
actually going to get McDonald's. Mackie D's, which is McDonald's. McDonald's.
But we're just going to make some steak.
We're going to make some steak. I mean, if we're still hungry, maybe by 10 or 11, we'll get McDonald's because we're always up so late.
So we've got our steak.
We put these on when it's cooking. So what's this? Oh, just some spice.
Yeah.
This is
they're already cooking.
This is some chili, and then we have some fried onions. So it's good. So I'm gonna add the fried.
Let's just add these ones. The spice.
Yeah, that's the spice. I'll add this type one because.
Okay.
Open it. Okay, open.
Hold on. Let me just open mine. Okay, open.
Ooh.
Ooh, that smells really yummy.
Mine says sour cream and chive spice, and she's just got normal.
Now I'm gonna put this back on and let it cook for about another 20 minutes.
So bye. Back on in 20 minutes. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Okay, we're back. So I know it looks the same, but
it sort of doesn't because we have this big light on, and it's making the sky. It's actually pretty dark out here. Look, if it looks for the camera, it looks pretty dark with the big light on, and the big light's blinding you.
So we're gonna open it. Oh, can you please go grab the tongs from inside?
Where are they? On the bench?
In one of the drawers.
Okay.
Yep. So I'll entertain you.
Just leave it cook on a low setting. So turn it on to low setting.
So it's on a low setting. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was just wondering what this is. Okay, so while she goes and finds the tongs, just gonna have a quick check. Oh, it's ready. Can I please have the tongs?
What did you call me? Did you say mate?
Yeah. Oh, okay. So I got some tongs. I'm gonna open this, and then we're gonna flip it, and flip it, and then we're just gonna add some salt.
Hold on, you didn't actually flip it properly. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So now we're just gonna add some salt.
Okay.
Just like that. Okay. Now we're gonna add some sauce.
Only for this. Jesus, stop making it move around.
and we're just gonna add some tomato sauce.
No, wait, not the tomato sauce. Tomato sauce comes in after.
Just a tiny bit. Okay, there we go.
Okay, putting
That's how you make it best.
Lid back on right now. I'll put the lid on.
Okay. I'm gonna go find my phone and put time. Oh, actually no, I have a timer here. I'm gonna put a timer on for 30 minutes.
That's a beeping.
That's 4 minutes. I don't want that.
I want it to be empty first.
Okay. This on for another 20 minutes.
Adrian, come here. I know where your phone is.
Where is it?
Okay, just go there, because I'm going to go get it.
Okay. And please pass it to me. Yeah, I seen it over there. Hold on, guys, I'll be back.
I'm coming. I'm coming, guys. Maybe Callum brought it in.
Yeah, do you have your phone? Yeah. Well, my phone, but...
It's Adrian's about.
Can I please have it?
I would say Adrian's. Adrian's we finished first. That's why I kept drinking out of it. And don't worry, I am wiping it. puppies. So, the reason she said, is it his phone? Like, do you have your phone? It's because, like, still wait. Oh. Ow!
Yeah, I'll put it back. So,
Did you have a phone?
no, it's out here.
Did you say that?
Yeah, but see, I can't find it.
Well, and your dad must have taken it because he put all the stuff there. We're not going to worry about the time, so yeah. So Adrian's come here. Okay, so we'll be back when actually the 30 minutes goes off. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Okay, so it's
Wait, no, we actually didn't, Adrian.
what?
Oh, we did actually. Sorry, I thought I didn't see the time.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
So now we're just gonna lift this up and hold on, it's not open properly.
Okay.
There we go. Okay.
And it's ready, guys. But I'll cut it
You wanna
open.
go grab a plate?
Nah, we got one right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Put it down. Okay, I'm gonna cut it open.
It's hot.
Oh, you touched me. What did that? Who said that?
Ellie's playing. My sister's playing Fortnite with one of my cousins. Yeah.
Oh,
Wait,
okay,
no,
ready?
he said, oh, got him.
Oh, gosh.
Okay, I'm just gonna hold the thing.
Okay. It's not actually juicy. It's not quite good here.
So we're gonna put it back in to the Weber just for about
Maybe.
20 more minutes.
Yeah.
Actually, no, about 30 more minutes. Yeah, 30 more minutes. So I'm just gonna put another timer on. Actually, hold on. Let's see if I can just put my timer out. No, I can't, but that's okay.
What?
Okay, the timer is now on. I'm just gonna go have a look at the phone.
Okay, so we'll be back when it's done. I think we've got like 20 minutes or 30. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just going to actually check because I don't know if I cut it right. I just dropped the meat. Okay. You can't show you, it's literally burning hot, but I'll try. That's all we're gonna get of it, I'm sorry. It's just so juicy. I'm not really good at tongs. Okay, it's actually not quite, so maybe another 10 minutes. Adrian! Adrian! So I'm gonna put it into 10 minutes, so be back when it's done. Yay, we did it! I feel like mosquitoes on me, but there's not. Adrian! She's still looking. Did you find it?
No, but I did find a black marker. And
I only put the timer on for 10 minutes and the timer went off.
okay.
She was so good for her phone, and you did get, cause yeah, and she did got a little thing to eat because there's only a small steak and we're cutting it in half. You had some chips, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, she cooked some chips.
It's out here because I heard it. I heard the Snapchat thing go.
Same, I did too. I thought that was you. I thought that was your phone.
We're just gonna have a quick look.
So the steak's ready, but I was waiting for Adrian because she looks like so bad.
Oh my god. So
Have you checked on like? Oh my god. Have you checked on like the
Oh
Did you find it?
yeah. Oh my god.
So it's in the exact same spot.
Yes, it was. So cute. So as cute as his uncle. No, shut up, Richard. You ugly. Oh. Sorry, I was talking about my
It's her brother.
yeah. Richie, you obviously not like TikTok. You gotta give yourself titles. if we had to vote, Adrian will probably win. My sister make you. Oh no. Oh my cat. Guess where my cat was laying?
Where?
In the baby cot. Yeah. So we have a baby cot for when my nephew comes here because he's only like 6 months, right?
Do a timer?
I
Open the steak.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. There we go.
Okay, I'll go grab it out. Ooh.
Looks really yummy.
Okay. It's ready. Ready to try some?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, is it good?
Mm-hmm. That is really good.
Okay, I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on mine. And some salt.
No! My cousin, he's like, no lie, if Adrian not eats a Leo, she could have. Oh, that ugly grass! Sorry, my dad just finished mowing. Our dad just finished mowing the lawn.
Adrian, look.
Oh no!
Guys, the mustard. It's literal water. Look. Oh. This ruined my salad.
That's fine. We cooked two, so.
Oh god. No, we didn't. We only cooked one. I gave you half. So.
Are you sure? There's another one in here, Hannah.
Yeah, that's the other half. The halves were pretty big. All right, ready? Try with the dodge the things. Okay. I dropped it. Ow.
Oh, that's yuck, Hannah. How can you eat off mustard?
It's not off. I just ate around it. That's good. Like it. I can have.
Hannah.
So this video's over, but I need to put another timer on because Adrian's steak half we didn't actually put in when I put my one in. Adrian.
I don't have a timer.
It's fine.
Oh, there it is. Turn it on.
What?
I'm gonna sneeze. It's right there. Put a timer on for.
Oh, that's not timer, mate. I see it.
Yes.
So I'm gonna put a timer on for.
Wait, no, we're gonna wait for my steak to cook because.
Yeah, so I'm putting a timer on.
Yeah, but we're gonna keep on videoing.
I got Adrian's to 10 minutes starting now. See?
Okay. May I please have my phone back now?
I'm getting mitten.
Comment down in the comment section what phone you have. I've the iPhone 12. Very pretty, honey.
I have the iPhone 11 Pro.
Yeah.
I want the iPhone 12, but I'm grateful for that.
Yeah. I didn't really care. I liked my iPhone 6, but I don't care. I'm grateful for what
Oh,
I
yeah,
got.
where's the marker?
I'm using it really quickly. There's my marker. So we're just going to entertain her for the next 5 minutes and then we're going to
And I'm gonna be back when we're done. So 3. Hold on. Look at Face ID, Adrian.
Oh, it's not.
Okay.
If you... Wait, I want to show them my cat.
Wait.
Hurry!
Hold on. Just wait. Getting bitten. Okay, so I'm going to show you her cat. That's Adrian's cat. Look how beaten up their phone is. Like,
Actually, that's our cat, you stupid.
it's yours. I don't
Oh,
for
wait,
you.
yeah, my phone.
Okay,
Wait, you
so
said Adrian's cat. It's our cat, you stupid.
well, he got it for you, but
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. So we've started the timer. I did say I started it before, but I didn't.
Oh.
I didn't see it. So we're going to be back when it's done. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so my timer's done.
Turn this one off.
Oh, is it yours? Okay.
Hurry up, 'cause I'm dying of mosquitoes. Stand in the light and I'm like,
Now I'm just gonna flip it. Now I'm gonna put another timer on for 2 minutes.
Adrian will stop it because I'm.
Oh, Callum's out here. I thought he went back inside. Actually, I'm going to put it on for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. There we go. We'll be back when it gets to 10 seconds. Bye. Okay. So it's down to 10 seconds. Hold on. I'll just show you. Hold on. I'll just get off a TikTok. So it's on, 8 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And the timer's going off. Okay. Oh, and I'm getting a bit into it. So now I'm just gonna. Yeah? Don't! The dog. Yeah. I'm just gonna take it out. I'm gonna put it on my plate. No. Cut. Nope, it's not juicy enough, so we're just gonna put that back in. Okay, and the police are going crazy. Oh, it's freezing. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now I'm gonna put it on for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Go. I'll be back when that's done. So we're back, and the timer's 6 minutes. Oh, I'm getting a Snapchat.
Put long pants on, that's easier.
Okay.
I got long pants. So now, I don't have
I'm
to
actually
wait.
getting.
Oh,
There it is. So I put it on for another 10 minutes.
got pie in this, it's got sand in it. Oh,
It stinks
horrible.
like dog pee. Oh, stop. Sorry,
Don't say stop to me, girl.
I didn't say stop.
You like stop.
I did. Okay. Just gonna shake it off because it's juicy. Put it on my plate. Cut. That is really yummy.
Try it.
That is so good. Okay, now I'm gonna cook the other piece for my sister and brother.
But we can't film that because
Yeah.
they're like we cook it for ourselves and like our other sister's coming out soon.
Oi! Go on. Sorry. Sorry, my dog just tried to
we
kill my
gotta,
cat. Go away, Vegeta.
so we can't film that because they're stop hurting me. They're all coming and sitting on the grass on the table, so we can't film that. Hey guys.